Chapter 18 Up in the Sky. All the bright objects that we see in the sky are called heavenly bodies. They are very far from us. We can see only a few of them from the earth. Let us learn about them. The sun. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases. It gives us heat and light. The energy which we get from the sun is called solar energy. It rises in the east in the morning and sets in the west in the evening. The sun is much bigger than the earth. The earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the sun. The sun is the closest star to the earth. The temperature on the surface of the sun is about 54,000 degrees Celsius. The sun. The moon. The moon is a satellite of the earth. It means the moon goes around the earth. The moon is smaller than the earth. It has no light of its own. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. The moon has no air and water, so it is a lifeless world. The moon changes its shapes every day. The day we see the full moon is called Purnima. The day when the moon is not visible at all is called Amavasya. Observe the different shapes of the moon in the picture given on the next page. The moon. The star. The stars twinkle at night like tiny bulbs. They have their own light. They are fixed at one place. Some stars are very big. They are many times bigger even than the sun. They look small to us as they are very far away from us. The pole star or Dhruvatara is a famous star. It remains at one place in the north direction. Constellations. Some stars form a special pattern in the sky. A group of stars that forms a special pattern is called a constellation. Some famous constellations are the Ursa Major, Great Bear, Scorpio Scorpion, Orion Hunter, and Leo Lion. So far, 88 constellations are known to the scientists. Indian astronomers. Astronomers are people who study about the stars, moons, and planets. Aryabhatta, Varahamihira, and Bhaskara were great Indian astronomers. Aryabhatta was the first person who said that the earth is round in shape and it rotates on its axis. India named its first satellite Aryabhatta to honor this great astronomer. People in space. A person who goes into space is called an astronaut. Astronauts go into the space in a spacecraft. Neil Armstrong became the first person to land on the moon in 1969. Two other astronauts, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins, also went to space with Neil Armstrong. They went to the moon in a spacecraft called Apollo 11. Some Indians have also gone into space. Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to go into space in 1984. Kalpana Chawla became the first Indian woman to go into space in 1997. She again went into space in 2009 but died when her space shuttle crashed on the return journey. Sunita Williams became the second woman of Indian origin to go into space in 2007. She stayed in space for a record of 195 days. Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams.